Pakistan, wearing a helmet while riding a motorcycle is not just a choice, it's a matter of safety. Every year, thousands of lives are lost due to motorcycle accidents, and many of these fatalities could have been prevented if the riders were wearing helmets. Wearing a helmet is not just about following the law, it's about protecting yourself and your loved ones. Helmets are designed to absorb the impact of a crash and protect your head from serious injuries. They can reduce the risk of head injuries by up to 70% and the risk of death by up to 40%. Unfortunately, many people in Pakistan still do not understand the importance of wearing a helmet. Some think it's uncomfortable or uncool, while others simply don't realize the potential dangers they face on the road. But the truth is, accidents can happen to anyone, and wearing a helmet can make all the difference. So, let's change the mindset and make wearing a helmet the norm in Pakistan. Let's educate our friends, family, and fellow riders about the importance of helmet usage. Let's encourage everyone to wear a helmet every time they ride a motorcycle. Remember, wearing a helmet is not just for your own safety, but for the safety of others as well. By wearing a helmet, you're setting an example for others and helping to create a safer road environment for everyone. So, next time you hop on your motorcycle, don't forget to put on your helmet. It may just save your life.